rule of journal entries is normally you can prepare journal entry by two methods. The first one is on the basis of types of account. On the basis of types of account is also known as one traditional concept. And on the basis of accounting equation, it is also known as one modern concept. Now, on the basis of types of account, we must know the types of what accounts. Normally, accounts are classified into three types: personal account, real account, and nominal account. The rule of personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. The rule of real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And the rule of nominal account is all expenses and losses debit, all incomes and gains credit. On the basis of types of accounting equation, increase in assets, expenses and losses are debited, and decrease in assets, expenses and losses are credited. And decrease in capital, liabilities, incomes and gains are debit, and increase in capital, liabilities, incomes and gains are credit. So if you are following the rule of what on the basis of types of account or traditional concept, first you must identify the type of transaction. If the transaction is related with person, here the person refers the what? Natural person as well as artificial person. Like Ram, Shyam, Sita, Harit, they are the example of what? Natural person. And ABC company, XYZ, Siddhartha Bank, Madhapusra Bank, they are the example of what? Artificial person. So the transaction related with persons, either natural person or artificial persons are applied this rule, personal account. Debit, the receiver, credit, the giver. And the transaction which are related with assets, cash, they are treated by applying the rule of what? Real account. They are recorded, or such type of transactions are prepared by following the rule of what? Real account. And nominal account, if the transactions are related with the expenses, losses, they are following this rule, nominal account. And under modern concept of accounting, if the assets increase, expenses, losses are increased, then it will be what? Debited. And if assets, expenses and losses are decreased, then it will be credited. And decrease in capital, liabilities, incomes, gains are debit, and increase in capital, liabilities, income, gains are credit. So, is it decided?